Motherfuckers, it's 10:32 in the morning, and I beat y'all motherfuckers to it. I finally got the goddamn chicken sandwich because these fat bitches and fat motherfuckers in New York, and all of them in motherfucking New York and shit, and I couldn't get one. But you know I got one in LA and shit because you know these niggas out here be on their healthy shit. So you know what I'm saying? I know I found one over here because these motherfuckers be eating vegan burgers and shit. And it's 10:33 in the morning. You can't beat that. So let me see what this motherfucking fucking spicy burger is about. Shit better taste good. Hi, daddy. Him sick.
I'm sick. In a bitch. Fuck on the plane 'cause we lit. She fine and then the bitch. Ride the dick. It's hard to find the rich. Whip her ass is thick. I want no rich, no classic bitch. Rock out a brick in this classic drip.
The greatest twerker ever.
Shut up. You are.
No, I'm good, but I'm like sloppy. Like I can't really catch the beat like that. Like you would have to ask like somebody like Megan Thee Stallion that she just like catches the beat. Me, I just go crazy.
Honestly,
I just go crazy.
I have to drink a lot of alcohol to make myself feel like I'm doing it right.
And then when but when I see myself, I feel like I do it right. But when I see myself on camera, it's not right.
Never know.
And then people talk shit. Let me tell you something. When I was a stripper with a crooked teeth, niggas didn't give a fuck. They used to fall in love with me. And bitches would be like, oh my God, but why her? She's a fucking stripper. She's so ratchet. Even when I got with Offset, bitches used to be on his side, why her? She used to be a stripper. She's so ratchet. And it's like, why the fuck you mean why her? Bitch, because I'm a motherfucking vibe. Unforgettable, unexplainable. Like, I'm really like that homie that nigga like to talk to, laugh with, with good pussy. Y'all bitches be cute, but y'all just ain't that vibe. You know what I'm saying? And then niggas go around and we try to play themselves, try to find another. Like, cause they can't believe it. They can't believe it. And then it's like, yeah, you see, nigga, you come back. Cause I'm just that. I give what I'm supposed to give.